Hello everyone, I'm Boyan from Colorlight. For this issue's product highlight video, let's focus on the Colorlight Cloud Network Player A200 together. So now, let's go and explore the distinction of the A200. There are two modes to choose for our clients, both sync and async are available. The A200 supports synchronous input display or asynchronous playback display, and allows for setting automatic switching between synchronous and asynchronous modes to meet various playback requirements. The free play and auto adaption, it can automatically scale the HDMI signal source image according to the size of LED screen, and it fits a wide range of scenarios. The A200 is widely applied in various display scenarios, including outdoor commercial advertising large screens, the indoor government affair large screens, public place information release large screens, chain store screens, store header screens, and advertising machines. And we can arrange multiple windows at will. It enables free adjustment of window size and position, supports window overlay, and offers rich media materials including images, videos, text, tables, clocks, streaming media, web pages, weather information, etc. Users can freely edit content via menu drag and drop operations. We can control it by multiple software. The A200 supports control via Colorlight LED Assistant, Player Master software, and cloud platforms. It also enables program management and device parameter settings through mobile phones, tablets, computers, etc., facilitating program editing and publishing. Infrared remote control for one-touch switching. The A200 supports synchronous and asynchronous switching. The program switching, brightness adjustment, volume adjustment, and video source switching. It also enables one-touch display of the current player's status information. That's all for today's highlight analysis for A200. Follow Colorlight and for more exciting content.